Did you know the color I'm holding today was actually created by accident in a kitchen using a black marker? Today I'll be unboxing the legendary Rouge Noir collection from Chanel. We are going to see how they've updated this 90s classic for 2026. I'm Aysh and welcome to my very first video. It's crazy to think that a kitchen experiment turned into this entire luxury lineup. I have a couple of products from this collection here with me, and honestly, the packaging alone is a 10 on 10. Let's stop talking and start opening. This is the first impression. I have received a couple of samples. It's the Le Volume de Chanel mascara. And one is a men's perfume. My essay has included this cute charm. The first product we have here with me is the Rouge Noir Confidence Palette. The first thing you'll notice is the case. It's not the classic standard Chanel black. This electric magenta is a star. But I love this pearly highlighter to keep things bright. It's a perfect balance of 90s vamp and the modern spring vibes. This is the magenta shade. Let's watch all of this. As you can see, the swatches. This is the highlighter. And these are the blush shades. This is the highlighter and these are the blush shades. Aren't they stunning? I love the packaging as well as the blushes. They look more like a winter collection than the spring collection. The second product here we have with me is this brush set. I had to get this brush set immediately. The set comes with 3 brushes with the classic Rouge Noir packaging. This is the first impression of the brushes. There are 3 brushes as you can see. The brushes feel incredibly soft, and if you know the Chanel brushes, it lasts a lifetime. If you are a collector, the fact that these handles match the collection makes them feel so much more exclusive. This is a touch-up face brush number 104. This is the eyeshadow blender number 204. And this is the eye contour brush in the number 203. This feels so luxurious. It is so soft and looks incredibly gorgeous. I love these brushes. And the fact that it comes with a Rouge Noir pouch makes it even more exclusive. I love the packaging. So these are my two must-haves. I think the palette is work of art and the brushes are just that extra bit of luxury. I want to know, if you were shopping this collection, would you have gone for these? Or would you have gone for the lipsticks instead? Let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. I love you lots.